So hello, we're back again, and we will gonna be going to Myall River Camp for a 2 night stay. Camping. So we're gonna be using a caravan. That's a good thing. At least uh, it's been a while since we've used it as well. So yeah, so I'm a bit excited, and so as Toby boy. So yep, the caravan is connected to the Kana. As you can see, I'm doing a check and make sure everything sits perfect and it's secured as well. Toby, ready? So yeah, look at Toby boy. Toby boy is excited. So this is their office in the campsite. So just before the boom gate, you're gonna see on your left hand side their office, so you can stop there and buy some firewoods if you didn't bring any. So yep, that's what I did, because I forgot to buy some. So Bibo, you ready? I just like some firewoods.
So it's $20.
Yep, sure. Dansky. Thank you.
And Ron, if you say to Ron, slide around, they're good to get it started, no?
Sorry.
Ron Pines?
Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? What's that? Yeah, you go and play. Yeah, look at that. So this is Myall River Camp, and for those who want to stay and then enjoy the place here, it's really good. Look at that. During sunset, you can see the sand there, and then the sand as well. Your kids can play, so it's really good for them. You can do fishing, boating, kayaking, or if you have like bikes, that I can see plenty of kids riding the bikes here. And also like the inflatable paddle boards, you can bring it here and then just enjoy the place. Yeah, got like big caravans here as well. So they said like there's, I think, 3 glamping area here. So the area is wide, and um the sides are like grassy, so I can't see any slab around though, so I think they preserve it. So it's good. Come on. Toby, watch out. Toby, where are you going? So this is our dinner for tonight. Marinated pork ribs.
Mommy, it can fire. I did not eat it. Mommy, I just eat it. But I smile and they say, Mommy, Daddy, yeah. This Mommy didn't finish it eating. You just eat it all.
Toby, that's sharp.
It's
So here we are. We picked up some
what's that?
small
What's
wood
that on your hand?
sticks though, and yeah, cause there's nothing much over there. I believe like the people already been like picking some woods over here. So yep, that's all we can get. So yep, Toby's ready for it. Oh, look. Now Toby's like putting the sticks in the fire. Look at that, kiddo. That's it.
Toby, show me the stick.
I saw it.
Are you cold? Ada chili for one. Ang chili for din nada sa restaurant.
Mm.
Good morning. So here we are preparing for our breakfast. So today we are gonna be doing beach driving. So we're gonna be heading. So there's a beach close to this area. So it's called Jimmy's Beach, wherein you can like go in and then drive your car inside the beach. And then there's like a famous place there called Little Giba or the Dark Point Aboriginal place. So yeah, we're gonna be heading there when Toby is awake, of course. So see, he's really tired. So yeah, this is the reason why I chose to camp using a caravan, so that he can like really like rest well, and us as well, because it's really hard doing this kind of stuff on a tent, especially if it's winter, because it's really cold during night times. So yeah, it's a bit pricey, but yeah, it's all good. It's like this is a one of a lifetime kind of thing, because he's growing fast, really fast. So and the time really flies fast as well. So making memories like this is worth a take rather than having none. So yep. So regarding toilets, so we got toilets right there. There's four of that, and then four up there as well. Yeah. So problem solved. So we're just lucky, like our site is close to the toilet, so need we didn't have to use our portable toilet bucket. So how good is that, right? So we only use that one at nighttime though, so we don't have to like walk that far. And yep, so I'm having my hot chocolate for the day before heading out to Jimmy's Beach. Good morning. So yesterday we went and drive into the beach. So it was fun. We caught some fish as well. So I'm gonna be uploading that separately because this is too much already. So this is too long already. So I'm gonna do another video for the beach driving itself in Hawks Nest. So just keep posted and I'm gonna be uploading it soon. So I'll just gonna do a quick review regarding my Jayco StarCraft. So it's like 12.4. So it's not that big. So 12.4 feet. So you got lights there, two lights outside, and then you got a sink, a tap water. Yeah. So we used to use this like brushing our teeth as well. It's really helpful. You don't need to go outside and brush your teeth because there's a sink. And then that's a drawer right there. And then there's another like 4 drawers there. And then that's my fridge. So I use this if we're on a grid campsite where I can like plug the caravan into an outlet, but in here it's off grid, so yep, I'll just use my 12 volts fridge. So that's my battery. I got 2 batteries there. It's running the power of the caravan. Yeah, and then that's my, I think that's a double bed, but uh me, Toby, and Amy fits on that bed, so it's okay with us. So you got another like drawers there, drawers down there as well, together with the other side, so you can put your clothes. That's a good thing here, because you just like put your clothes there instead of like putting it in a bag. So we put the clothes in the drawers. So yeah, if you want to cook inside, so you can do it. Yep, you just need to fill up the tank, the gas tank outside. So yeah, nothing much in regards to my caravan. It's just like a small caravan, and it's it's enough for us. Yeah, because the thing is, the more fancy the caravan is, the more it will gonna be expensive. So it will gonna be hard for me to afford as well. So I'd rather have like a simple caravan where I can like afford it and not breaking my budget, rather than a fancy one. And then the thing is, I need to work hard to pay for it. So yep. You just need to weigh things up, and that's it. So look at this. You have a screen door, and then you have like
Toby, what are you doing?
the other door attaching to it to lock it, and then you have like a window as well, so you can open it and close it. If you need some fresh air, you just have to open it. How good is that? And you got like the gas tank.
You got the gas tank there.
So you got the 2 cables there. So the first one is if you want to charge your battery using your car, you can use that one. And then the other one is for the car and for the electric brake as well. So yep, that's it. Nothing much. Caravan though. Just tiny. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you on my next vid.